Hello my dear students, how are you doing? I hope you're all doing good. So today we are going to proceed with Unit 12, but we are going to go to Lesson 2, Grammar, Lesson 2, Grammar, and it's going to be on page 93. 93, I want you to open your class book on page 93. Okay, so my dear students, today we are going to have a grammar lesson, okay? I am going to read these books and you're going to listen and then we are going to explain, okay? So, read and learn. Should or shouldn't. Picture number 1. You should drink some water. You should drink some water. Picture number 2. You shouldn't eat lots of food. Lots of cake. You shouldn't eat lots of cakes. So today we are going to study should and shouldn't, okay? We call them models. They are models, okay? So we use should and shouldn't to say what is good and what is not good for you. Should, when we say you should do that, it means يعني يجب أن تفعل هذا. It means it is good for you. You shouldn't do that. It means don't do it. It's not good for you, okay? So you should and shouldn't, okay? So now, my dear students, like we said here, you should drink some water. You should drink some water because he has a stomach ache. But here you shouldn't eat lots of food. It's going to make you have pain in your stomach, okay? Now, for exercise number 3, I want you to move to exercise number 3, okay? As you can remember from last lesson, Max, he was ill. He was sick because he ate a lot of cupcakes, okay? So you are going to use should and shouldn't in with these sentences, okay? I want you to stop the video, do it on your own, and then go back to the video again, okay? Now, for the first one, Max is ill. He's got a stomach ache. A stomach ache. He is ill, مريض. He's got a stomach ache. إيش عنده? Stomach ache. It means a pain in the stomach. يعني ألم في المعدة. في بطنه. Number 1. Max should drink water. Yes, he should drink water. He play outside. Should he or shouldn't he play outside? It's not good for him to go outside because he's sick, so he shouldn't play outside. Number 3, he stay in bed. Should he stay in bed or he shouldn't stay in bed? Yes, he should stay in bed. Number 4, eat chocolate. He is already sick and his stomach hurts. Should he eat chocolate or he shouldn't eat chocolate? So he shouldn't eat chocolates, okay? So this is the difference between should and shouldn't, okay? Good job, my dear students. So now, moving on to exercise number 4. Speaking exercise. Ask and answers. As you can see here, we have 4 pictures, okay? All of these persons, they are ill. They are sick. You are going to write on your notebook 2 sentences, okay? So you are going to write what is the matter? Sentence number 1. For example, picture number 1. As you look here, he has his hands on his ear. So you are going to say, I've got an earache. I've got an earache. Okay? What should he do? You should, sentence number 2, go to the doctor. You should go to the doctor. Okay? So you are going to write sentence number 1 and sentence number 2 for each picture. Okay? For example, this picture right here. Number 4. He has his hands on his stomach. So he has what? He has a stomach ache. So sentence number 1, you're going to write, I've got a stomach ache. You should or shouldn't. You shouldn't eat food. Okay? So 2 sentences for each pictures. Okay? Is that understood, my dear students? And you are going to write these words with the right pictures. Okay? For example, this one, she has what? She has a sore throat, okay? So you should take medicine. You should take medicine. It's the same picture in here, okay? Take medicine. You should take medicine, okay? Now, my dear students, I want you to open your workbook, okay? Workbook on page 81, and this is going to be your homework, okay? Page 81. Now, For the first one, what we are going to do in exercise number 1, you are going to read and circle, okay? Circle should or shouldn't. For example, sentence number 1, on school days you should or shouldn't get up early. When you go to school, do you get up early or late? يعني تستيقظ بدري ولا متأخر؟ بدري. So you should get up early, okay? Sentence number 2, you shouldn't get dressed quickly. Should you or shouldn't? Let's see. So you should or shouldn't get dressed quickly. Get dressed quickly يعني you put on your dress quickly. So it's you should get dressed quickly so you can arrive to at the school early, okay? So this is for exercise number 1. Exercise number 2, my dear students. You are going to look at the pictures. We have Julia, Faisal, Lizzie, James, Emily, and Fahad. Each one of them, he is ill. He's not feeling good, okay? For example, you are going to look at the picture. Write what each child should or shouldn't do to feel better. ايش الاشياء اللي لازم ولا ما لازم يسواها علشان to feel better عشان يتحسن. For example, Julia, this one Julia, she has a napkin, running nose, and she's coughing. She has got a cold. She has got a cold. She should what? Drink orange juice. She should drink orange juice, okay? Picture number 2, for example, Faisal, he has his hands on his belly, on his stomach. He has what? He has a stomach ache. So he shouldn't eat food. He shouldn't eat. So Faisal has got a stomach ache. He shouldn't eat. Okay? This is clear, my dear students? So please, if you have any question, send me your question on WhatsApp or send your questions on the website. Thank you so much. الرجاء حل الواجب, okay? After that, you take a picture, يعني تاخذ صورة الواجب ترسله لي على الواتس, okay? يلا, I hope to see you again, my dear students. Stay safe. سلام عليكم.